Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to calculate average in Google Sheets on computer. So how to calculate average in Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. You can see here that I have prepared a table. Go straight to the column that will be the first method. Then move the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap Menu Insert. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. And tap Function Menu. Many options will appear like this. Tap Average. And here it will appear like this. Then block all the data that will be calculated for the average. And tap Enter. Now you can see this is the result of the average value. The second method, by directly typing the formula. Type equals. Type the average formula. And type open brackets. Block all the data to be calculated the average. Tap close brackets. And tap Enter. Now here you can see the results. Can be seen from both methods the results are the same. So that's it, tutorial how to calculate average in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.